Okay.
Okay, so before we get started, can you please introduce yourself? Uh, Apart from butterfly, tell me about your profession, what you're doing.
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. Uh, Hi everyone. This is Gayatri Datta, and I'm from Assam. And I have completed my master's in zoology in 2019 from Guwahati University. And then I have joined Wildlife Institute of India. And I also work as a member and a contributor in the project called Wikilabs Butterfly. So that's it.
Okay, so how did it all start? How did you start butterflying? When was
Uh,
this?
It was 2016. Actually, by chance, I got to attend Northeast Butterfly Meet 2016, which was held in Zero, Arunachal Pradesh. So, Dr. Rajiv Ruddha Taryang, he's a professor in zoology in Digboi College, Assam. So he took me there and he literally introduced me to the world of butterflies. So that's how.
Uh, why butterflies? You should have gone to some other, insect or any other fauna. Why specifically butterflies?
See, because I really love it, and you know what? All my love for wildlife and other things is all started from butterflies only. So it means a lot to me, and of course, the colors of it and the way it emerges out from through such a tough process and then flies freely. So all these things are very fascinating, and yeah, that's why.
So, are you part of any butterflying club in Assam? Or if so, tell me more about your works, your butterflying journey over the years.
Not specifically in Assam, but this WLB project that I'm doing. So I'm being a part of this, and what we do is basically documenting, but we do it in four different languages, that is English, Assamese, Bengali, and Tamil. So I'm doing my Assamese part. So we document it and click the photographs and then upload it with all the details. So that's how. It's an effort to know about the butterflies in regional languages. So that's it.
Okay, do you remember the first butterfly you sighted when you started in 2016?
I guess it's large human.
Large jump. Okay. Uh, okay, the next question is tell me about your inspirations in the field of butterflying. Who are your
Actually,
inspirations?
many people actually. When I was in Zero, I met a kid there. He was in class 8 then, and I was doing my graduation there. And that time, I saw him doing butterflying and clicking pictures, talking about it and discussing with other people. So I got so inspired, and it was so amusing. So that's how I got inspired. And also people like Isaac Sir, Peter Sir, their walks, their words, they are all those people are inspiration for me.
Okay, so the next question is what needs to be done to make this field more accessible for women?
I think it's quite accessible. You don't need something big to do this, but yeah, you need some sort of courage and willpower to do this. And of course, uh, they should come out and see how the beautiful world this is. And they should participate in different, say, surveys and other programs conducted by different organizations so that they can explore this. And yeah, that's all.
Did you face any challenges when you took up butterflying?
Not really. I think it's very safe rather than to other things. So I think it's quite good. And the people I have met through this butterflying process, it's a nice experience. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, do you have any tips for bringing in more and more children to like and study butterflies?
Sorry?
Do you have any tips for bringing in more and more children to like and study butterflies?
Uh, since children are very curious and they're always ready to know about things, and butterflies are very colorful and they got attracted to colors, children. So I think we should frequently do some butterfly sessions in schools so that they got to know what it is. And I think government should take some initiative to put some stories or other other things in their textbook so that they can learn it and they get used to it. So that's how I think.
Yeah. Uh, the next question is, tell us about some of your best experiences and memories you have had during any butterfly meet or walk you had also this year.
Every meet was like a great experience. When I met Isaac sir, Peter sir, so those meets were very memorable for me. And yeah, the first meet that was in Tali Valley, that was the lifetime experience for me. So yeah, that's it.
You didn't have to be generalistic. You can come out with every time. Okay. So the next question is, who is your favorite butterfly partner?
Uh, it's my friend Suvendu and of course Navanglada. He is very entertaining. He's fun.
And do you remember how many butterflies you have tried till date? And also, what is your favorite butterfly?
I think it's 260 or 270 something. Yeah, I think so. And favorite butterflies are oak leaf. I love them. It's beautiful.
Sorry, I lost your voice. Come again?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I said my favorite butterfly is oak leaf. I really love it. And yeah, what is your next ask question?
I was asking how many butterflies have you tried till date? Do you remember?
Oh,
The count.
I think it's 250 or 260. Yeah, with photographs.
That's nice. Okay. So the next question is, uh, what next step you would plan to take on contribution to the butterfly community? So now you are with Wildlife Institute of India. So what next? What's your future? And what plans do you have in contribution to the butterfly?
See, I don't have any plan right now, but I think I'd love to study about ecological and some habitat study on butterflies, as well as I think there should be some extensive study about the distribution of endemic butterflies throughout the India. So I would love to do that.
Okay. Tell me more about Assam butterflies.
What to say?
You got caught. You can't be generalistic now.
Yeah, we have many butterflies. There are, very endemic butterflies and many rare ones also. So, yeah, I think there should be some NGOs or some sort of program that we conduct only for butterflies. Like the way the seed is doing in Arunachal Pradesh. They're doing great when it comes to community or the students. So, this is the way we can do something about Assam butterflies also.
Okay. Are there more exposure on butterflies in your state compared to other states? Do you see any differences?
Sorry?
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Please, a second, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, so I was asking, are there much exposure for all the people in Assam about butterflies compared to other states of India? Do you find any difference?
I think because of this butterfly meet that happens every year, many people get exposure. I think not only in Assam, in entire Northeast, that Northeast butterfly meet has given a lot. So for people like me and newcomers and the beginners, I think it's a great opportunity to attend this kind of meets and learn about butterflies. So yeah.
Okay, that was real quick. So I am done with my all because of your generalistic answer. So, viewers, if you have any questions for Gayatri, please feel free to send in the comment. Gayatri, you didn't have to be in week 3. No one is going to question you, shout at you.
I'm really nervous.
Okay. One question which came from Saurabh is asking, how was your experience in Ground Crew Butterfly Meet? Specifically, how butterfly changed your life?
Yeah, it was very beautiful. Like uh, I met Isaac sir. It was one of the biggest memory, and of course I met many friends, and yeah, it was very beautiful, and I got to see many rare butterflies. So it was good.
Is there any particular place in India which has always been in your wish list where you wanted to visit for butterflies?
I really want to go to Western Ghats. I'd love to.
You are welcome. So Savita is asking you, I did not understand the project Gayatri spoke about. So tell me about the project you are dealing with WII.
Okay, I'm not working in WI that related to butterflies. It's another project. It's the project name is Wikilabs Butterfly. That is, it's a project of Wikipedia. What we do is basically contribution, but we do it in our regional languages so that people can know it. So the project is led by Ananya Mandal. She's from West Bengal, and yeah, that's it. We document and then we upload our photographs with all the details. So yeah, in different languages.
Okay. Supraja is asking you, coming from Northeast India, what's your favorite and rare butterfly that you captured?
Sorry.
Coming from Northeast India, what is your favorite and rare butterfly that you captured?
I didn't capture, but I have seen Bhutan glory. I think I've seen it in a first ever trip in my life. So I think I was lucky. And my favorite butterfly is the oak leaf. Yeah, the oak leaf, all the oak leaves.
Okay. Uh, I'm not sure we have any more questions. See if any questions comes up. I don't think there are any more questions. So people who's working on particular program and she's from Assam, so people who have any more questions, please feel free to contact her in Facebook. She'll be happy to answer. And before we end this session, yeah, uh, Gayatri, thank you so much for answering so honestly in a very gentlemanly manner. And also, thank you for accepting and being part of this event.
Thanks to you, like this for this opportunity, and you're
I'm
really
not
doing
thanking
a
you,
great job.
but you haven't answered me properly to any of it.
Sorry.
So, Saurabh Biswas is asking, share some of your beautiful experiences regarding butterflies. She's again going to give us a general answer. All butterflies are beautiful. Yeah. So, yeah.
I
So,
think it.
I think
I think
we'll
yeah.
tell me.
Okay, it was in zero. Okay, I was crossing a river and I literally fell down from the bridge. So that was the first ever trip in my life, and I thought it was going to be the last one. So that was very scary, and but when I now recall it, it's very funny, and yeah, one of the best memory I have had regarding butterflies.
Saurabh is texting, we want to hear some story. Even I want to hear some story. Gayatri is not opening.
There's no story.
Okay. Um, yeah, I think we don't have any more questions. I think we shall end this and
Okay,
start our next
I
session.
want to request you
Uh,
something.
what?
I want to request you something.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Yeah, yeah.
Can you hear me now? Okay,
Yeah.
I want to request you something.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, if possible, please do a webinar or a live chat about host plant and butterfly infection. So I think this will be a very interesting topic and very useful for people like me. So please, if possible, do it.
Gayatri, I'm so sorry. Maybe my internet is weak. I was unable to hear you. Can you send it in text? Uh, can you comment it here?
Yeah.
So we'll make this description what would you use.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, send it. And also Savita is asking you, so when you make this description, what bit you enjoy the most? Savita, you're not going to get any answers from Guide. That's for sure. If possible,
Hello?
please do a butterfly introduction webinar or live. Host an interaction. Yeah, yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. It's coming up in the
I
upcoming
think
week,
that, yeah, I think
so
that will
I'll
be
keep it
very
posted.
interesting and very helpful for people. So
Yeah.
what was the last question?
Last question was by Savita. She asked, so when you make the description, what bit you enjoy the most? You're working on Wiki Loves Butterflies, right?
I can't understand it.
Savita, I told you you won't answer. And Gayatri, yeah, I took your suggestion and we are coming up with such live events and webinars in the coming week. So I'll surely let you know if we connect.
Okay.
And yeah, before we end, thanks again, guys. Thank you so much for being there in this event and representing us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.